If you want to make your website look more professional in just a few minutes, adding a favicon and hosting your website builder is one of the easiest upgrades you can do. A favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab, bookmarks, and sometimes even on mobile devices, and it helps people recognize your brand instantly. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a favicon and hosting our website builder step by step, so you can upload your own icon and publish it with confidence. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Website section and then click Edit Website on the site you want to customize. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can manage your site's design and settings. Now look at the left side menu and click the three dots. This opens up additional options that aren't visible in the main editing panel. From there, choose General Settings. Inside General Settings, you'll see a number of important site-wide options, and one of them is the favicon setting. Scroll or look carefully until you find favicon. This is the area where you can upload the image that will represent your website in the Browser tab. Before you upload, make sure your favicon image is clear, simple, and ideally square. A small logo, a lettermark, or a very clean icon usually works best because favicons are displayed at a tiny size. If the design is too detailed, it may become hard to recognize once it's uploaded. Once you're ready, click the Upload option and choose your favicon file from your computer. After selecting the image, Hostinger will load it into the favicon field. Take a moment to check that it looks correct and that the icon appears the way you want it to. If everything looks good, click Update or Publish to save the changes. This part is important because your favicon won't go live until you actually update the website. After publishing, open your website in a new browser tab and check the tab icon at the top of the browser. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page or waiting a little while, because sometimes the browser cache can delay the update. You can also test it in an incognito window to make sure you're seeing the latest version. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon and Hostinger website builder. It only takes a few clicks, but it makes your website look much more polished and trustworthy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Hostinger tutorials and website builder tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.